guys, today is Women's Day. We are here as a family. You are seeing us, we are well-being. We thank God for keeping us safe. He has given us everything we need. We want to share with you, whoever is listening to us. Here in Africa, we celebrate in a special way. Women's Day. Today is the only day we celebrate in the whole world. But in Africa, we celebrate in a special way. Everyone give this day a value. Here we are in our house. We are happy, though we have not gone outside to celebrate, to make a procession, to do everything. But in our house, we can do everything by ourselves. But we are here to wish everyone Happy Women's Day, wishing you to have a good day so that everyone can have something to make her or him happy. Usually we are used to that the husband can give their wives something special. For us, we are ladies in a special way. If God can take care of us, He's the one who provides for us. He gives us whatever we need through the benefactors, through the people of goodwill who take care of us. We lack nothing. Everything we get it in our house. And that's why we have said we want to wish you a lady start from a kid who is a lady. The mothers, we are united with you wherever you are in the ends of the world. We celebrate with you. We are united in a heart. We wish you Happy Women's Day. Today I'm the main woman in this house. That's why I'm celebrating with my kids, and I want to give them a special day. That's why we are happy. We are having that day. We are having bread. It's not every day we have this special meal, but this special day, I wanted to give a feast to my kids so that they cannot lack. Everything is so that they don't feel that others have celebrated in a special way. So here in our house, we can make ourselves happy. That's why I have taken this special day as the lady principal in this house to give my kids a feast day. So together, we are wishing you Happy Women's Day. Together, Happy Women's Day. I'm going to share to everyone. Each one will have a piece. The one who can start to eat, so enjoy. Enjoy. Thank you. Jamais. For me. We are happy to be together. You are free, you can sit. Sit. Today the ladies, they will be served, but in this house is a special way. I'm serving the different gentle. Each one can come and pick. Come on. One by one. Next. 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 can eat.
Thank you.
Next.